Welcome to Module 4, and hopefully you've completed the midterm or you're getting ready to complete the midterm. As I mentioned before, these two modules, modules 3 and 4, can overlap a bit. Module 4 work is due by the end of the day, December 30th. So you've got plenty of time for this one. And your work is to complete the content in zyBooks Chapter 6. There is also a discussion question on useful apps for business professionals. Surely you've heard of Grammarly. Maybe you can find a few other apps that are useful. You'll participate in a discussion question on that topic. And then also there is an exercise where you're going to make a mobile app. You'll be using a web-based program called AppyPie, and it will introduce you to the planning process and the creation process for creating your own mobile app. It's free. You won't have to, pay for anything or use a credit card to get started on the application. I think you'll enjoy it. So again, all of this work is due by the end of the day, December 30th, and I know it's the holiday season. If you need extra time, just let me know. If you have questions about anything, please reach out. My email is pthompson@catawba.edu, or you can text me or you can call me, 980-234-0042. Thank you.